Welcome friends. In this tutorial, we will be learning about for loop in C programming language. For loop allows us to execute a loop from a specific initialization to a specific end. I have already written code for loop. Let me show you. This is our for loop code, which is very basic and easy. There is just one standard input output and a main function. Here you can see the for keyword. In the first block we have initialized a variable, and in for loop this part is called initialization, where our loop initialize. Second block is the condition. It dictates until when the loop will execute. And the third block represents the increment or decrement. That means the change in the variables during the loop. Inside the curly brackets are the block of statements which is to be executed along with this loop. Here we have printf, the value of x is equal to %t new line. That means it will print the value of x. So each time the loop executes, our console window will be having one statement and a new value of x. Let's take a look here. X is being initialized at 0, and at every execution its value will be increased by 1, and it will be done recursively until x is less than 5. So let's run this program. You can see x is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. That means our loop is being executed 5 times, starting from 0. Then it prints the value of x is equal to 0. Its value is increased by 1, and it prints the value of x is equal to 0. The same thing happens recursively until the x is equal to 5, when this time the value of x is equal to 4, and after that its value will be increased by 1, and so this condition will be false and our loop will break. This is how the for loop works in C programming language. Thank you.